Hello viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this beautiful fruit jello cake. This recipe is super simple and easy to follow. I'm sure you'll enjoy making this, and the kids will love eating this too, and the adults. We used Agar jelly to make this cake. It's a vegetarian and vegan. You can use any gelatine you like. Okay, let's get started on the ingredients. A selection of mixed fruits. You can use any kind of fruits you like. Go crazy here. You'll also need to have half a cup of sugar in each jelly mix. We use 2 packets of Agar. These are vegan and vegetarian jelly. A pan of hot boiling water, a bowl and a ladle, and a large jelly dish. Add the agar to the boiling water and let it dissolve. Add half a cup of sugar, you can add less or more. Once all the jelly has dissolved, take as much of it out and cool it in a bowl for about 5 minutes. This depends on how much you need for your first layer of jelly. Pour a layer evenly at the base of the jelly dish. This is the part I was most excited about. Start layering your fruits at the base of the fruit dish. Go crazy here. Do any kind of designs you like. We chose a floral print. Well, actually, my wife chose this design. It is her kitchen after all. When you've finished your first fruit layer, it's time to add another layer of jelly mix. Wow, this is going to be one big jelly cake. Keep on adding. Oh man, if you could smell this right now, it is amazing. The final layer of jelly has just been poured onto the mix. It smells delicious. Now pop it into the fridge for 1 hour and let it set. It's been an hour now. We took it out of the fridge and we went around the edges using a sharp knife. Then tap the dish really hard. Ta-da! It's all done. We really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Also enjoy making this jelly cake. It's super fun and super easy. The kids will love throwing the fruits into the jelly dish. Serve it with ice cream, cream, whatever you like. Just have fun. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Comments are very welcome. Thank you for watching Marjana's Kitchen.